Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing Airwallex, one of the fastest growing global payment and business banking platforms in 2025. Whether you are a freelancer, startup, or small business owner, I'll break down the pros, cons, pricing, and who should actually use it. So let's get into it. What is Airwallex? Airwallex is a financial technology company that helps businesses manage international payments, multi currency accounts, and expense cards all in one platform. You can send and receive money globally, open foreign currency accounts, and even issue employee cards for expenses without relying on traditional banks. It is like having a modern alternative to PayPal and Wise, but built for scaling businesses. Key features. Here are some standout features in 2025. Global business accounts. You can hold and manage up to more than 20 currencies, including USD, Euro, Great British Pound, Australian Dollar, and more. Low fee international transfers. Airwallex offers real exchange rates with minimal fees, usually cheaper than banks and even Wise for business transfers. Virtual and physical cards. Create company debit cards for your team, set limits, and track spending in real time. Integrations. It works seamlessly with Xero, Shopify, QuickBooks, and other major platforms. Security and compliance. Airwallex is fully licensed and regulated in multiple countries, ensuring your funds are safe. Pros. Here's what users love about Airwallex: fast onboarding and easy account setup, transparent pricing, no hidden fees, excellent for international businesses handling multiple currencies, smooth integrations for accounting and e commerce platforms, 24/7 customer support, and intuitive mobile app. Cons. But it is not perfect. Here are a few downsides. Not available for personal use, it's mainly for businesses. Some countries are unsupported, especially in Africa and parts of the Middle East. No cash deposits or physical branches, and occasionally account verification can take a few days. Pricing and verdict. The best part, Airwallex has no monthly fee. You can only pay small FX and transfer fees, typically 0.4% to 1% depending on the currency and location. So if you run an online store, SaaS company, or remote team, Airwallex can save you hundreds of dollars in bank fees each year. But if you are an individual or a local only business, you might find Wise or Revlot business more suitable. So that is it for today's Airwallex review. If you found this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and see you in a new review video.